Binance Coin might climb 2.1% by June 24, CoinLore suggests. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. As we speak, Binance Coin is down 2% on the day and trades close to $580.60. Now, let's hear from the analyst's side. Traders Union sees the asset moving to $585.29 by June 24, which would mean a gain of 0.7%. Binance Coin might move up to $589.48, according to Gov Capital Collector. That's roughly 1.4% up. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of testing $590.24, marking a gain near 1.6%. A separate analysis by CoinLore suggests Binance Coin could climb to $593.31, roughly 2.1% up. Finally, 30 Rates forecasts a move toward $595 by June 24, marking a gain of 2.4%. This is the strongest return potential in our lineup. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a gain of 0.7% and an increase of 2.4%, depending on the analyst. That means 30 Rates is forecasting the highest return with 2.4% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could collect between $7 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Traders Union's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 82.9% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. The shared outlook points to Binance Coin landing close to $590.67. Okay, here's the closer look. The consensus projection points to a 1.6% increase in price under current conditions. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 1.6% change. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $16 gained. In addition, this consensus outlook for Binance Coin carries a probability of about 75.6%. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. Traders Union expects Binance Coin to head lower. A rising course is projected by Gov Capital Collector. In line with this, meanwhile, CoinCodex projects continued growth. A bullish view also comes from CoinLore, who sees the price advancing. The forecast from 30 Rates also points to a push higher for Binance Coin. Bringing the different analyst views together, the consensus points to Binance Coin moving higher over the next 3 days. At this point, 80% of analysts expect Binance Coin to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. At the end of the day, the price settled at $590.30. In this case, the majority of analysts got the move correct. Coin price forecast delivered the most accurate forecast. Time to open up the details and review them. Yesterday's span included 4 predictions. When it comes to ROI, every forecast showed gains across the board. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Meanwhile, crypto predictions recorded 1.1% ROI with accuracy. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. At 5th place, we find Binance Coin, while PEEP continues to lead at 5.2%. Here I've compared Binance Coin with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. If this quick summary saved you some effort, leave a like. It helps me keep going. See you in the next cycle.